They sold you the American dream. Go to college, get a job, buy a house. But the reality? Most Americans are living a nightmare. 60% of the US population lives paycheck to paycheck. Today, we expose the 7 American money traps designed to keep you broke. Trap number 1. The 84-month car loan. The average car payment in America is over $700 a month. That is insanity. You are working 2 weeks just to pay for a piece of metal that loses value every mile. Driving a new car to a job you hate is suicide. Buy used, pay cash, stay free. Trap number 2. Obsessing over your FICO score. A high score just means you are good at being in debt. It doesn't mean you are wealthy. Credit card companies charge 20% interest. Don't play their game. Trap number 3. Keeping up with the Joneses. You buy the bigger house and the latest iPhone just to impress people. Guess what? Your neighbor is broke too. Stop copying them. Trap number 4. The college degree scam. Going $100,000 in debt for a job that pays $40,000 is bad math. Student loans are the only debt you can't escape. It's a life sentence. Trap number 5. The convenience tax. Ordering a burger that costs $3,000 a year? That destroys your wealth. Learn to cook. Your wallet and your health will thank you. Trap number 6. Ignoring the IRS. Taxes are your biggest expense. The rich use the system. They start businesses and LLCs to reduce taxes legally. Trap number 7. Relying on Social Security. The fund might be empty when you retire. If you are not investing, you are literally throwing your money into the fire. Invest in the US economy via the S&P 500. Be an owner, not a consumer. The American dream is still alive, but only if you break the chains of debt. Subscribe right now for more US financial secrets. Let's build wealth.